Unveiling the Mystique. Morning Mist and Fog. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the enchanting world of morning mist and fog. These natural phenomena not only add a touch of mystery to our mornings but also enrich the English language with their descriptive beauty. Let's dive in and understand what they really mean and how they can enhance your English vocabulary. Morning mist and fog are atmospheric conditions that create a kind of natural blanket over the landscape. Although they might seem similar at first glance, they have distinct characteristics. Morning mist is a thin layer of water droplets suspended in the air close to the Earth's surface, creating a light veil that can reduce visibility but not as much as fog. It often occurs on clear nights into the early morning and dissipates with the warmth of the sunrise. Mist adds a soft, serene beauty to the mornings, gently cloaking the surroundings. Fog, on the other hand, is denser and can significantly reduce visibility. It forms when the air near the ground cools down to the point where it can no longer hold all the moisture, leading to the condensation of water droplets. Fog can envelop everything, creating a thick, opaque layer that can persist into the day, especially in cooler seasons or specific geographic areas. Both mist and fog carry rich symbolic meanings in literature and everyday language, often used to convey mystery, ambiguity, or a sense of ethereal beauty. Mist is frequently associated with mystery, transition, or the unknown. It can symbolize the delicate balance between reality and illusion, offering a perfect metaphor for moments of uncertainty or the unknown in life's journey. Fog often symbolizes confusion, danger, or the feeling of being lost. In literature and films, fog can create a suspenseful setting or represent a character's unclear path or state of mind. Understanding the difference between mist and fog can help you describe scenes more accurately in English, whether in writing or speaking. Use mist to describe scenes where details are slightly obscured but still visible, conveying a sense of gentle mystery or a soft beginning, like the start of a new day or journey. Use fog when you want to depict a scenario where visibility is greatly reduced, suggesting a heavier sense of mystery, confusion, or the unknown. Fog is perfect for setting a mood of suspense or uncertainty. We hope this exploration of morning mist and fog has not only clarified the difference between these two atmospheric conditions but also inspired you to appreciate the beauty and symbolism they bring to the English language. Remember, the world around us is full of wonders that can enrich our vocabulary and expressions. Happy learning, and may your days be filled with the clarity of understanding and the beauty of expression.